Hello everyone, so today we're gonna install VMware Workstation. First of all, you gotta search like VMware Workstation Pro download and then select the first one. After that, press the download button. Then you're gonna sign up in this page. After that, at the left, look at my downloads and here, wait a bit, then press this one here and then wait again. Now look for VMware Workstation Pro or the program you want. Then look for a version. For me, I look for this one. Then look for your version, like this one. Once you press it, it will be lead to the page of download. And as you see here, I can download this. So you have to press this term and conditions so that you can't like you've read them where you did not read them, and I'm sure of that. And you just go back here now, press agree, and boom, now you can download it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.